Jenelle Evans is well known to be the trashiest mom on Teen Mom 2 cast, but someone maybe even worse than her is her drug-using longtime friend Tori. And we saw some of this on Monday's special. 3 days ago, instead of showing the new episode of Teen Mom OG, MTV aired an unseen moment special of Teen Mom 2 where they showed a deleted scene, where Tori and her boyfriend were at Janelle's wedding causing a scene. Jenelle says that they were cursing in front of kids and personally goes to their car to kick them out of the wedding herself. A couple days later, on Victoria's Instagram, she explains the situation from her point of view. She says that David's friends were instigating her boyfriend Jesse and he threatened to fight them in the driveway. She defends his actions and says she won't let anyone disrespect him. She also says that's what happens when you have an open bar at a wedding with a bunch of dudes. I don't know about that. I think that's what happens at a wedding when your friends are 100% white trash. Jenelle saw her response and then posted this on Facebook. She said Tori came to her wedding, quote, almost late, whatever that means, and both Tori and Jesse were on drugs. She said the real reason Tori got kicked out was that Jesse wouldn't stop talking about eating her ass all night in front of children. Like, this is real. This is the funniest thing I've seen all week, to be honest. Jenelle then talks about how she was offended because she said that Tori could come back and then Tori never did. And here's where it gets rich. Jenelle says Tori missed her best friend's wedding for a boyfriend that will come and go. Jenelle said this. Jenelle, who puts boyfriends over her own kids all the time. Then she says that her wedding was a once-in-a-lifetime thing that Tori missed. Again wrong, because she was already married to Cortland in the past, and she'll probably get married to someone after she divorces David. Then, Jenelle tells her to lay off the drugs, which is funny because Jenelle was caught with weed in her system when she gave birth to Ensley, and is a well-known drug user for many years. It's just like the hypocrisy is so funny. Later, Jenelle edited the post to add even more details, saying that Tori said to everyone at the wedding that her and Jesse had pink eye because of eating ass. But Jenelle wasn't done yet. She also went on Jesse's relationship status post on Facebook and trashed him some more. When people come at her, she says she's, quote, making money moves, and that she'll say whatever she wants to Tori. Here are some of those screenshots. And then later, Cortland and Gary, Janelle's ex-boyfriends, both responded to say that Tori and Jenelle used to hook up on the regular. So who knows, maybe they'll make up eventually. So who do you think is more trashy in this situation, Tori and Jesse or Jenelle? Leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more Teen Mom content.